part. IOPS, everybody talks about IOPS, nobody talks about the latency. We commit to you the latency part also. And then it is just plug and play. There is nothing called RAID configuration, how many spindles I need to configure and all the stuff. There is nothing on that side. By default, you just plug and play. We take care of your data protection. We take care of your volume creation and all those. You just have to say plug and play and connect it to your infrastructure. And then InfoSight gives major advantage for you. We do proactive analysis through the InfoSight part. So any queries, this is what I have. I think out of my time. But then any queries, anything, let me know. I'm there for the lunch. So in case anything, just let us know.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Sonavne. And can we have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Our last two speakers coming up, but before that, a reminder, you've got feedback forms on your table. Please make sure you fill up these feedback forms at the end. When we finish with all the sessions, you can hand them back at the reception, and they get converted into a little gift for you. All right, so before I invite my next speaker, one quick question. There is only one, what do you call it? I'm not getting the word. Yeah. You know, there is only one, I'm not getting the word. Okay, I'll try something else. You know, there is a girl who has just learned to drive. She goes down a one-way street, but in the wrong direction. There is a policeman who is standing over there at the end of the street, but he does not stop her, nor does he penalize her. Any idea why? She is walking. I like that. Give him a very big hand. Excellent. Okay, so your table gets another point for that. So, ladies and gentlemen, our next speaker coming up, Mr. Vinci Quatra, Distribution Account Manager, Axis Communications. He's going to be speaking about securing the next generation workplace. And Mr. Vinci Quatra for you. Can we have a huge round of applause? Thank you.
Hello. Thank you very much. Thank you. I think we have discussed a lot on data, how to protect the data, how to use the data, how to analyze the data. Now I will take a few slides on surveillance. We are into IP cameras. We are the one who started IP cameras in the year 1996. Till starting from that year, till then whatever technologies you are facing or what you are listening in IP cameras, we are the inventors of that technologies, and we are the one who started that technologies and become the followers for others. Now this is our worldwide presence that we have. We are headquartered in Sweden. In India, we are headquartered in Bangalore. We are approximately 20 people in India, considering pre-sales, post-sales, sales, marketing, everything put together. In Delhi, we have our office at Jasola. We have a team of 3 people. This is little about Axis. Total strength is around 1,600 plus people. Our total sales is 4.7 billion US dollars, which sold of only IP cameras that we have. We recently started our NVR solutions. That's a software-based solutions that we have for completing the ecosystem of the cameras. These are little bit innovations that I want to talk about on Axis. As I told you that we started in the year 1996 with the first IP camera. After that, we started, we innovated our encoders. That technology is H.26 format that we are using these days on whatever base using that. After that, new technologies like Axis solutions on thermal cameras. What about light funnel technology that is a very unique with Axis. Again, zip stream technology that helps us to reduce the bandwidth as well as storage when you are using the surveillance cameras in our systems. High definition TV standards, because these are the standards which are being made as per SMPT committee, that is Television Standard Committee, that is guidelining, which is giving guidelines for making these standards like 1 megapixel, 2 megapixel resolutions and all. That these are being governed by all these standards only. Now this is our core roles, you can say, into the go-to market. We are Axis, we are the OEMs of the cameras. Again, we have a distribution network like Ingram. After that, we have resellers who gives you complete end-to-end solutions. Because if you consider the complete solution, camera, other than cameras, we have VMS, we have switches, we have storage, everything put together. So SI gives a complete end-to-end solution to the customers, for which we definitely help them to work on a solution for our ecosystem. Axis, we are one who can give you cameras, all IP type, all IP cameras, all thermal cameras. Other than this, we can give you storage solutions, NVR or VMS from our side. This is again, everybody is talking about digital and all. So we started in the year 96 because we are the one, it started cameras in 1996. At that time, the complete market was on analog systems only. We take the drive that we have to shift the market from analog to digital, because at that time, digital was nobody was talking about digital. Now you see, all analog solutions are almost going towards end. Everything is coming on a IP cameras because as a customer you want everything to be talkative on a single platform. That can be possible only on an IP solution, so the digital solution, not on analog solutions. Now, what makes us distinctive other than because we have a lot of players in the market for cameras, what makes us Axis as a distinctive player? First is channel integrity. We have a dedicated channel network who gives you complete end-to-end solutions depending on the segment that we have. We have a dedicated partners who work in a different segments like hospitality, border areas, or you can talk about industrial, retail. We have dedicated partners who have a specialty in when you talk to them, they have a specialty, they have a reference case studies who can give you complete, who can make you a solution as per your requirements and need. Training and professional because we have a dedicated training programs for these partners. Even we conduct training for end customers also, who even like you can be Axis certified things also. There's a 3 days training program that we conduct for our customers and partners. After that, you can attend that training. You can give an exam. It gives you self motivation and give you more clear idea on what to use, how to judge your requirement, what you want to achieve with these cameras that you are accomplish or you are installing in your premises. Global recognition, we are the one who are the leaders of IP cameras. If you see, as per all the studies available in the market, we are the global leaders. We are #1 position holding for IP cameras in the world. Little bit on innovation. If you see, we have a lot of cameras, but these are some innovative products that we have. The first you see image, this is a 5-lens camera. Because suppose you have an environment where you want to put a camera on a crossings where you want to view all the 4 roads of that particular square, and you want to have all the details of that particular scene. With here, if you see, this circumference has 4 lenses here, and below is a PTZ camera here. So with these 4 lenses, you can cover the complete 4 lanes of the square, and with this PTZ camera, you can cover the complete detail, each and every detail that you want to see in that particular area. With this, you need only 1 pole for erection, only 2 licenses for erection, and only 2 only 2 cables for that. If you go to as per standard solutions, where you have to use 5 cameras, 5 different poles, you have to use 5 licenses and everything. Now this is an innovative product because the maintenance will be less, the cost will be less for your as an end customer or as a partner also. After that, we have again a solution for video conferencing from an IP camera point of view. It works on a complete PoE based solution. It's a PTZ camera that is being shown at our booth also. And normally what happens is like in a PTZ camera, it is very difficult to maintain that camera, like a maintenance because it is like lot of dust. It is normally installed in outside areas. So, but in this, like when you need a big ladder for maintaining these cameras because there's a lot of dust and water particles or anything you can predict on this particular cameras. But this is a very good function called speed drive function. You can check the cameras here. What it does is, there's a motor inside that. It just helps the camera to just rotate in the sense, and it drops all the water droplets as well as all the dust which is being there on the camera. It just goes down. You can have a look at the booth also. It's a very good function, speed drive. It keeps you, like, it helps you in maintaining the camera from sitting at the control room only. You need not have to go to the camera and maintain that camera. After that, we have some series in stainless steel, which is being made for marine grade applications, where is a rusting is a problem. So we have this stainless steel body for our cameras, which can help you in removing those areas. These are flexible solutions that we have. You can say hidden cameras, covered cameras, all based on PoE, IP based. Is a horn speaker where it can be definitely it can be connected directly to the network of whatever network you have. So it gives you announcements and all. It is different from the analog solutions that is already there in the market. It's a completely network-based solution with built-in amplifier. It's again a 4K camera. It has 3 sensors of 4K camera, which can give you a very detailed, each and every detail of a particular scene of 180 degree. You can have a clear view if you put in a stadium type of environment or school type of environment. So with a single camera, you can view the complete stadium or like a complete 180 degree view that is covering with a proper details because it's a 4K technology. It's a 8 megapixel, 8 into 3, 24 megapixels is a camera. After that, we have thermal series that are majorly being employed in power sectors or border areas. Where you want to see the distances of 3 to 4 kilometers. It gives you a image from your body heat. It doesn't give you a regular image. It is for detection purpose only, but where detection is very much important and it is for crucial areas. Now there are 2 products in front of you. One is our camera and second is a Martin plane. Just a guess, what is common here in these 2 products? One is camera, second is Martin. Can anybody guess what is common in these 2 things? Infrared? No, sir. I tell you, this body, this glass body of this camera, and this cockpit, the cockpit cover of this Martin plane is all of the same material. You can say when we call it our IK10 rating, the material, the type of material that we're using in our cameras is of same quality that is being used here for the cockpit cover. We can give you a bad board and you can try hitting this camera, it will not break down. So this type of material that we're using in our cameras, which gives you confidence, the technology that you're using, and that's a really quality product. These are again some technologies that we have in our cameras, again innovated and invented by Axis. First is light finder technology. Normally what we do when the lux levels go down or when we move towards the night, sorry, we normally recommend IR cameras to get a detailed picture. But here we have a technology called light finder which gives you colored image even at very, very low lux levels. Even if you're using IR cameras, that will give you a black and white image. In black and white, it's difficult to identify the people. Even sometimes police doesn't accept all these images in black and white. But here, if you use light finder technology of Axis, I will show you just video also, which gives you colored image even at very, very low lux levels. Not at zero, but very low lux levels. WDR that is being used when there are some bright and light areas there. Suppose a sun is there is a glass building over there and you want to and the camera is positioned towards the glass. So we need some higher WDR cameras which can give you good image out of that. PRS is a technology which is being developed by Axis and with the Cover company, which gives you more detail, more contrast, more clear picture as compared to standard lenses. We have thermal imaging cameras, which gives you, I already told you, about 3-4 kilometers you can have a look. One is, another technology we have is a Axis corridor format. Basically, if you see any lobbies or any corridors that you have, what a standard camera will do, it will give you a output image of that 16:9 format. But our cameras can reverse the image from 16:9 to 9:16 because in a corridor there is a long length as compared to width is available. So instead of using two cameras over camera, one camera can give you a solution which normally you are getting the solution from two cameras. It's a unique technology that we have in our almost all the cameras, starting from a cube camera to a PTZ cameras. Now this makes us different and more economical in terms of solutions offering from Axis. Sorry. This is this is a ZipStream technology that we have. Now it helps you, this we launched in 2015 only, for which we have got very good awards and recognitions for this particular technology. But it helps you in reducing the bandwidth and storage up to the tune of 20 to 80% depending on the motion in a scene. Because normally you see, in a total solution of a surveillance, 30 to 35% is a storage component. Now, this technology that we have in almost all the cameras, it helps you in reducing that storage and the bandwidth requirement to the tune of 20 to 60-70% depending on the motion in a scene. How does it? Because it's optimized for video signal. In a maximum is like it does that reduction, keeping the resolution, frame rate, and forensic details. We are not touching anything that you are getting the clear image. You are getting the clear forensic details which is being required for a post-analysis purpose or a pre-analysis purpose. We are not reducing any quality there, but it's only the algorithm which is being run on the S.2 format by again Axis thing in our processors, which helps you in reducing that bandwidth and storage. Now this is a light find technology that I was talking you. Now this is again you can say it's an Axis camera only, but which doesn't have light finder technology. Same environment, same light levels, camera, output of the camera, which has light finder technology in it. You can see the lux level same, still the lights are on here, But that's the output you are getting from a light finder technology camera, and that is the output without light finder. Now this is the difference that Axis cameras can create which has light finder technology. From here. Sorry. Any questions till date? I think it will take 1 more minute. Any questions I can take? If you have any questions, I can reply on that questions in the meantime. regarding any solution that you want, any IP cameras, any surveillance thing that you have. Half a kilometer? Yeah, yeah. We have. Yes. You want to see the faces or you want to read the number plates? Anything. So it depends how. But it's a road type of environment. We can do that. Sir. We can do that. It normally goes for we have Q1765. That's with an optical zoom lens. And other than that, we can have look for a PTZ option also, sir. Yes, sir. Night we have like till that I show you that some lux levels till the lights you have seen in that particular environment it will work because we have the cameras with light finder. But if it's like a zero light environment, then we need to go for good range IR cameras, good range IR external IR illuminators which can see a distance of 500 meters. Definitely, sir. In night environment, it will go down definitely. Yeah. We can in that time we can do like we can put two three cameras there. With I don't think so. It will go. Yeah. No, it's a straight rod. It's like a circumference area or circle area or it's like a what? So, so sir, it is to be designed. Solution has to be designed because one camera cannot serve the complete purpose for you. I think we have to design a solution as per we need to do the site survey, and depending on the need that we want to identify, you want to recognize, or just level a detection range is required. Accordingly, we can suggest the complete solution from outside. It can be mix of fixed and PTZ cameras. So it is your objective, it is your need because if you want to identify each and every place, you don't want a 100% coverage to be there, then obviously the quantity of cameras will go definitely increase. But if there is need that only detection is okay for me, then accordingly that is the inputs which is required from your side to design a solution.
Whoever is coming, in the
In
road
city
side,
type of environment, there is a
anything you go to the bank cameras and anything, you cannot find the object, clear object or something.
because that solution was not worked properly to verify because again it's a normally what we do what these type of organizations bank and everything do that they put the cameras on the entry and exit type of thing. But normally in city surveillance type there is a mix of fixed cameras as well as PTZ cameras there. You can have a mix of that cameras which can do sharing data sharing with them and accordingly suppose if that is coming in that range, after that you want the complete detail of that thing with the camera which I showed you earlier also, like it is having a normal range it is covering being. Now there is suppose there is accident over there. Now what PTZ that fixed camera can give information to that PTZ camera that please look at that place. So that PTZ camera can immediately zoom at that particular place to give a detailed information. That sharing is required between different cameras that we can do in our cameras. Our fixed camera can talk to the PTZ cameras and PTZ camera can talk to the fixed cameras to share this information, and accordingly you can reduce the number of cameras in that solution. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. No, this is a light finder. Now this is just to tell you that what type of testing that we do on our camera. This is for IP66 protection, ingress protection that we do. When we call it IP66, it has to be water protected. Even you can see there's a working camera which is being tested online. At the same time, it is giving images also, and there is no like loss of signal or loss of image at all in this camera.